A bright-eyed 16-year-old girl from Pune, Karishma Mane bowls you over with her passion for varied interests. We at New Shuttle are delighted to be in conversation with Karishma. I'm Shashwati Bhatthakur Dixit from the New Shuttle team, and I'll be your host for this evening. Hello Karishma, welcome to New Shuttle.
Hi.
So Karishma, tell us something about yourself. Give us a brief introduction of who you are, what you do.
So my name is Karishma Mane and I'm 16 years old and I've completed my schooling and I'm preparing further for my studies and since childhood I'm learning Bharatanatyam and I've passed 4 university exams with distinction. And now I'm learning Carnatic vocal singing and my first love is always and always singing and photography. So I can't tell my love for singing and photography.
Okay, Karishma, your mom's a Bharatanatyam dancer. She runs a Bharatanatyam dancing academy. So I know it's quite natural for you to gravitate towards Bharatanatyam. Since what age have you been learning to dance? And was it a natural inclination that you had towards Bharatanatyam, or your mom kind of pushed you towards it?
As my mother is a Bharatanatyam dancer, I learned Bharatanatyam and now I love it. So I'm learning since I guess I was in first. So I'm learning since first standard and now I love Bharatanatyam. But it's not my passion, to be honest. As my mother is a Bharatanatyam dancer, I eventually did Bharatanatyam. It's not my passion.
I get it. So, you are a classically trained dancer. But you are also a classically trained singer. You have been training in Carnatic music, right? So, how does this passion come about?
I love singing since childhood and now in 8th standard I was very serious about singing. So I said my mom to join classes. So she immediately made me join those classes and now I'm learning Carnatic vocal singing and I even sing normally. I'm also a bathroom singer and I just love singing.
We would love to hear a few bathroom songs. Can you hum a few lines for us, Karishma?
Okay, yes. Aarat bhar jaye na ghar jaye na ghar hai saath tu kya hai fikr jaye na ghar aarat bhar जाए जहां 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 दिल करे जाने कहां 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 फिर मिले इस रात में बीते उम्र सारी उम्र आरात भर.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for doing this for us, Karishma. Karishma, the question that I most wanted to ask you was, you recently participated in the Teen Bright contest and you won the award for the second runners-up title. So tell us something about this different kind of experience, and do you think even such as these contribute to your growth as a personality, or do you have a passion for modeling, or perhaps you foresee a career in the entertainment industry?
When my mother saw this post on Facebook and she told me to participate, and she forced me a bit to participate, so I said okay, and I participated, and then first when I got to know that it's online, so I didn't really find it interesting. And then, but the day I started my introductions and talent videos and catwalk videos, I find it interesting, and then I enjoyed it. And all I want to say is I'm very happy and satisfied for this pageant. And I was never interested, or modeling or these pageants were never my passion.
Alright, but it's always good to have an experience of a different kind that kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone. So maybe when you participate in events like these, you kind of discover yourself more, right?
Yes.
So, yeah. And Karishma, I have learned that your dream is to be a cardiologist. This is
Yes.
quite a shift from what you currently do. Firstly, why did you choose cardiology as your chosen field? And how do you foresee because cardiology is a demanding, very, very demanding, it requires a hectic and grueling schedule. So how do you think you'll be able to balance your studies and all these interests that you pursue?
So I chose cardiologist. There's not actually a reason, but I just want to. I always wanted to be a doctor, and I want to help people. So also I want to do social work, and I can manage both things, and yes, I can manage. I can easily manage both the things like this, because I always do many things at a time.
So you are a multitasker and you're confident that you'll be able to balance everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, so before we leave, Karishma, is there any message that you want to put out for our viewers, people who would be watching you, especially young kids in the age group of 8 to 14? Do you have a message for them?
I believe that we should not grudge for what we don't have, or we always do this, that we don't have this, we don't have that. So I don't want people to grudge what they don't have, and help others, mostly the needy ones, and mostly help the needy ones, and don't grudge for what you don't have. So be happy in whatever you have. Comparison actually kills us. So I don't want anyone to compare with others.
What a beautiful thought. So viewers, Karishma wants you to be grateful, full of gratitude, and be happy in what you have. So this was Karishma Mane from Pune in conversation with New Shuttle. I thank you, Karishma, for being on the show and wish you the very, very best for your future.
Thank you.
So viewers, until the next time when we meet again with yet another super talented child or a teenager, it's a wrap from me. Goodbye and take care.